how-tos.
How to use the ab wheel. A couple of variations, all right, just depending upon your fitness level or your exercise level. I can choose to keep my feet on the ground. So right now, you probably can't see it, but my feet are gonna stay planted. I'm taking my wheel and I'm keeping my glutes tight the entire time. I'm not allowing my lower back to cave in whatsoever. Do not try to overextend. If you do not feel comfortable extending all the way out as of yet, just come out as far as you can, all right, and then bring it right back, all right? So here we go, 3, 2, and 1. My feet are on the ground, extended, coming straight up. My glutes are tight the entire time. Squeeze glutes. Wide, glutes are a part of your core, all right? You wanna maintain strength there. Another variation is gonna make it a lot harder, all right? More of an advanced movement. Lift your feet up off the mat, and as you come out, now it's all about the core. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. My feet are up in the air, extending out, and bringing it right back. Glutes are still tight. Glutes remain tight, all right? Good deal.